Episode 1. At the mall.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
Hi, Helen. I'm doing well.
Are you ready for shopping?
Yes, I'm very excited today.
What gifts are you buying?
I need presents for my family.
That sounds great. Let's start now.
Sure. Where should we go first?
Let's check out the toy store.
Good idea. My nephew loves toys.
What kind of toys does he like?
He loves cars and small trains.
Oh, this car looks really nice.
Yes, it's perfect. I'll buy it.
Great. Who's next on your list?
My mom. She loves warm scarves.
Let's look for scarves over there.
Look at this red scarf. Lovely.
It's beautiful. She'll love it, Jane.
I think so too. Let's buy it.
Now, what about your dad's gift?
I want something useful for him.
Maybe a wallet or leather bag?
Good idea. Let's find those quickly.
Look. This wallet is really nice.
Perfect. It's simple and looks strong.
Do you need anything else today?
Yes, some decorations for my house.
All right. Let's find Christmas decorations.
These lights are so pretty, Helen.
Yes. Let's buy these for you.
Thank you for helping me, Helen.
You're welcome. I love shopping too.
I think we've finished everything now.
Yes, you've got great gifts here.
Let's go pay and have lunch.
Lunch sounds perfect. I'm feeling hungry.
How about sandwiches and warm coffee?
That's a great idea. Let's go.
Thank you again for your help.
I enjoyed it. Shopping was fun.
I hope my family loves these gifts.
They will. You chose them carefully.
I think so too. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, Jane.
Let's meet again soon, Helen.
Yes, I'd love that. See you.
See you. Have a wonderful day.
Take care. Enjoy the holidays.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Episode 2. Shopping online.
Hi, Jane. How was yesterday?
Hello, Helen. It was so fun.
Did you finish all your shopping?
Not yet. I need more gifts.
Are you going out again today?
No, I'll shop online this time.
That's smart. It's very convenient too.
Yes, and there are many discounts.
What are you planning to buy now?
Some books for my younger cousin.
Oh, books are wonderful Christmas presents.
Yes, she loves reading fairy tales.
Do you know any good websites?
Yes, this one has many options.
Look at this book. It's perfect.
Yes, she'll love the colorful pictures.
Great. Add it to your cart.
Done. Now I need a gift.
Who's next on your shopping list?
My best friend. She loves perfumes.
Let's search for perfumes on this website.
Wow, there are so many choices here.
This one has a nice fragrance description.
Yes, it sounds lovely. I'll buy it.
Great choice. Anything else for today?
Yes, I need wrapping paper too.
Search for Christmas wrapping paper online.
These red ones look very nice, Helen.
Yes, they match the holiday theme perfectly.
Okay, I'll add them to my cart.
Have you checked the shipping time yet?
Yes, everything will arrive next week.
That's good. You won't be late.
I'm glad online shopping is so easy.
Me too. It saves a lot of time.
What about your Christmas shopping, Helen?
I still need gifts for my brother.
What does he like? Maybe video games?
Yes. He's a big fan of games.
Let's search for games on this website.
This one looks fun and interesting.
Perfect. Your brother will love this game.
I'll order it now. Thanks, Jane.
You're welcome. Shopping is so exciting.
Yes, and online is so stress-free.
I think I'm done shopping today.
Me too. Let's relax with some tea.
That sounds perfect. Let's video call soon.
Absolutely. Have a cozy evening, Jane.
You too, Helen. See you soon. Episode 3. Decorating for Christmas.
Hi, Jane. Are you busy today?
Hello, Helen. I'm decorating my house.
That sounds fun. Need some help?
Yes, please. Can you come over?
Sure. I'll be there soon.
Thank you. Bring your Christmas spirit.
I always do. See you soon.
Great. I'll prepare some snacks.
I'm here. Your house looks amazing.
Thank you. I've been working hard.
What decorations are we doing today?
We'll set up the Christmas tree first.
Perfect. Let's bring it to the corner.
Done. Now we need some lights.
These string lights are so pretty.
Yes. Let's wrap them around carefully.
How does this look? Is it good?
It's perfect. The tree is glowing beautifully.
Next, let's hang the ornaments together.
I have red and golden ornaments here.
These match perfectly with the tree's lights.
Yes. Let's arrange them evenly, Helen.
Done. The tree looks magical now.
I love it. What's next, Helen?
How about putting up some stockings?
Great idea. Let's hang them by fireplace.
These stockings are cute and colorful.
Yes, I bought them last Christmas.
Do you have garlands for the walls?
Yes, let's hang these green ones here.
They add a festive touch everywhere.
I agree. Now, let's light some candles.
These red and white candles are lovely.
Yes, and they smell like cinnamon.
Your house smells like Christmas now.
Thank you. It feels so cozy inside.
Don't forget the star for the tree.
Oh yes. Let's place it together.
The star looks beautiful on top, Jane.
Thank you, Helen. The tree feels complete.
Your decorations are perfect. So festive.
Thank you. I couldn't do it alone.
I enjoyed helping you today, Jane.
Let's sit and enjoy some cookies now.
Yes, and drink some warm cocoa too.
This is the best Christmas feeling ever.
I agree. Your house looks so cheerful.
Thank you, Helen. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Jane. Enjoy the holidays.
You too, Helen. See you soon.